Don't you go! Stand up! Advent 1, 2, 3. It's a video. Sick. How would that drop? Maya? Yeah. One, two, three.
Welcome to Porland!
That is it. I'm going there already, you know what I'm going there from, huh? Yeah. Yeah, people like you. Active. Come in here. Come in, my friend. Yes! Man! Woo! Some big heavy shit. No, go on. Yeah! Forward! We like you! That is it! Yeah, man, active! Yo, hold some beating after! Hold some beating after that! Take off the glasses, take off the glasses. Yeah. Come in. One, don't be a TV, bro. Yeah. That is it. Come in. One by one. It's heavy. Second time. Yeah! Come in, Maya! That is it. Second time. One. Rain! Oh, come on! Come! Safe. 100% safe. Come in. Step down, sir. Go on. Hold on. Come now, come. Yeah! That is it. Take your time. Take your time. Come. Take your time. Watch your head.
Oh my God!
No. The classic. Well, stop. Wow, man, you're good. Hold on. Go on, bro. Yeah, people, that is it. Explore, you see me? Hold on. The water pressure heavy here. They're very heavy. Now take your time and go there. Come. One time. Alright, go on. One next step down there. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Stand up. You're good? Alright, go on. Stop being heavy, man. Take your time. Pull it. Around for the water pressure, youth. Yeah, boy. Life's nice. Yeah, boy. That is it. Good, my father. Huh? Yeah, people, that is it. RK Tours and Excursion, back at it again. We're on another adventure, guys. We are in Portland, Reach Falls. Beautiful Reach Falls, guys. Like, how amazing is this? Yeah, man. I was trying to get a drone video, but it wasn't working out, you know, but we're still active and we're still outside. That is it. I catch up with the group right now. I'll make you see what I go and say. That is it. I want to go on in there, sir. I want to go on in there, sir. Berlin. God. God. gosh. You have this all for yourself. Yo, it's so pretty on the camera, yo. Oh, wow. That is it. Active. That is it. Go ahead. Why is so hot here? Nice, man. Adventure, you know? This is life, you know. That's a Maya.
Yeah.
That is life. Up on a little trail, hiking trail. Yeah. First done, all them.
Where rabbit hole there? Rabbit hole.
Rabbit hole? Yo. Mayfield. Why Jamaica nice, bad? Yeah, my J. All them. What you mean, man? Refreshing. Look. Yeah, that is it, you know. Relaxing vibe. Give thanks to nature all the time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It's a video. Come down, move. Yeah, back on the flat, you know. Go back on the flat. We're going to exit and go to the next location. See? So just stay tuned and watch how I go on. Nature is blessing. That is it. Boom! Check in. Yeah, man, we're at the famous Turtle Bay Cove, guys. Like, this place is extremely beautiful, and guess what, we have it all to ourselves. Yeah, man, good vibes, good energy, like all the time. You know how long I have been wanting to come here, like you guys would even understand, man. And this place was on my bucket list for quite a while now, and finally I get to check it off. Yeah, man, it's really beautiful, man. It's a vibe. You understand? So when you're in Portland, it's a must to come check it out. Yeah man, so check out our Guan. Yeah, this is the entrance. So actually it's $1,000 per person to come in. You understand? So the number there call, so you guys can know what is what. And we're about to get some sick contents, guys. Yeah man, some beautiful photos and just enjoy the view. You understand? So good vibes like all the time. And we're outside. RK Tours and Excursion. Back at it. What you dog them back at me? Dog them a follow away. And the people them dogs to the property. Yeah. So I just see where I go on. We got all the vibes. And that is it. Yeah man. So they have a restroom just in case you want to use the restroom. Yeah. And this is it, guys. Beautiful Turtle Bay Cove. Active. Okay, that's mad. Hey, if Jaden ain't touch your water for something wrong. That is it. Nice, man. Mad. Bad. It's sick. How would that drop? Maya? Jade, up there. Yeah guys, right man, we're outside like all the time. Next location, Turtle Bay Cove, and we're active. Check out our Guam, man. We have a whole heap more places to go. So just go and watch what we're saying. That is it. Yo, this place is magically beautiful, no joke. Jaden! Hold on, my friend. That is it. So let's see what I go on. Let's say it's a view, my boy. Humboldt style! Yo! This no normal! What the hell? Nah, what? Yeah. What the hell? Oh my gosh. It's nice, man. Damn, it's so nice. Woo! Yeah, man. Check out that view there, man. Oh gosh, man. Oh gosh, man. Beautiful. Mesmerizing. Mighty God, look at God's creation. Woo! Active.
Yes. You even weird fan. Jump on him. Yeah, jump at him. Olympics today. I'm in jump off it.
Can't make a girl and brave here.
Yeah.
Far as I can. Yeah, go swim to him.
Jump right on him. Jump on him. Go, girl. Jump right on him. Yes.
That is it.
All them candy, all them candy. Find him there, find him.
Oh my God.
That is it. Hold him, no boss, hold him. That is it. Yeah, my friend. Yeah, my friend. Yeah, I go face your fears today. Come in.
Just walk off now.
It
all I jump then.
Put on them there.
And jump.
Why she running my
Once you off, you don't have.
Alright, baby. One thing my brakes active. Ready? Yeah, baby. Yeah, go, baby. You know I'm done with.